Thank you, Lord, for another day, another grind. It comes sa day 23 ng ating day.
You have a big dream, protect it, feed me.
Hey, I'm Nat. I'm on a mission chasing a crazy dream to build a startup that hits a 1 billion in sales. The catch? 90% of my time is locked into real-world responsibilities and just 10% fuels the dream. But that 10%, that's where the magic begins. And you're coming with me, and let's make it happen. Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Lord, for another day, another grind. Welcome sa day 23 ng ating daily vlog. Ngayon po, on the way na muna ako kay Sir Russell. Sunduin natin siya at mamamalengke tayo sa Envan. Kukuha tayo ng stocks ulit doon. So, let's go. Yun guys, ito naman siya na nakapag-video. Naging busy tayo. May meeting tayo kay Pastor MJ kanina. Then, kinausap ko rin yung mga staff ng Mana at mga supervisors. And then, nag-deposit tayo sa BPI. Habulin natin mag-gym. At may church time mamaya 6 p.m. Let's go. So yun guys, kakatapos lang mag-dinner kasama si Clarence, Doc Vince, Ralph, Luis, and syempre si Fiancé. Konting update lang dun sa startup business natin. Waiting pa rin tayo sa cost ng product at yung landed cost mismo. Kasi sobrang important no for sa financial side. Kailangan kasi yun para malaman yung profit margin, etc. At the same time, di makagawa ng sales forecast kung wala yun. Then kapag walang sales forecast, di makagawa ng something return of investment. Very, very crucial yun, lalo na sa mga possible partners natin sa business. So, waiting time tayo ngayon, waiting season. So, yun na lang muna today, guys. This is it for us. If you have a big dream, protect it, feed it, even just a little every day. Once again, my name is Nat, and I'm sober. Cheers!
Okay guys. If you have a big dream, protect it, feed me. If you have a big dream, protect it, feed me. wait lang, ulit. If you have a big dream, protect it, feed me, even just a little. Once again, I am Ralph and I am sober.